We have done several videos on the Polaris Ranger, the Polaris Razor, just about everything else, but we've never gotten our hands on a Polaris General. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys the best possible upgrade you can do for the front of one of these things to make your nighttime trail riding just that much better. Now, we've installed a handful of different bulbs today in the machines behind me here, and the best one that we found for this particular machine was the S-V.4. It fits the housing really nicely. You can zip tie this driver out of the way. It's got these nice little slots here to do so. And with the way the chips are placed on this particular bulb, it gave us the best beam pattern out of all of the ones we tested when you're riding it at night in the trails. Installing it's super simple. You can just crouch down like this, reach back here, grab your stock H13 bulb. With the bulb pulled down here, it's super easy to work with. Press down on this tab right here, pull the bulb toward you, set it off to the side, and you can connect your S-V.4 wiring to that factory connector. Now, for some reason, a lot of other bulb manufacturers really struggle with the H13 connector. So if you're shopping anywhere else, you're shopping for other LED bulbs, trust me on this. For some reason, other companies struggle with this. The S-V.4 connector is as solid as that factory connector. As you can see, I'm pulling on it, it's not going anywhere. The last thing you want is to be mudding off-road, get water in here, have it corrode. You're not gonna have that issue with this bulb. Take your new bulb and reinstall it into that same opening the original bulb came out of. Now, at this time, you can zip tie this extra wiring. There's a nice little crash bar here, part of the chassis. I'm gonna route it up there, zip tie it up out of the way, and that's really all there is to it. Now, the best part about this being a super simple install that you can do in the grass like I just did is you can get right back to riding, and that's what we're about to do here. We've got several side-by-sides behind me, we've got even more in the driveway, and we're gonna take these things out right now to the trails. We're gonna show you guys how much better these things are, how much brighter they are, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun doing it. If you are working on anything at home, ATV related, lawnmower related, side-by-side related, reach out to us, we'd love to help you out with it.